Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be in Palm Beach Gardens, checking out Alton, which is conveniently right off Donald Ross Road and I-95. And one thing that you should know about Alton is that it is known for being walkable to the club and town center, where you'll find shopping, dining, and entertainment. You're just down the road from golf clubs in Juno Beach. So if you want to see more of what Palm Beach Gardens has to offer, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. So here we have the Derby by Kolter Homes. The Derby is going to give you 2,642 square feet under air in the main house, 3 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4 bathrooms, and for this model, they decided to extend the living room into part of the courtyard that they brought under air looking out to the pool deck. And this particular home has a Spanish style exterior, but you can choose between this, a more modern, or a more coastal style, and you can option things like the balcony, the casita, or the bonus rooms. But if you're looking for something larger or just more private, they build homes like that as well. And since this community's been building for a couple years now, there are homes for sale that have plenty to offer. And Alton offers so much in the way of amenities. Its residents-only club offers a state-of-the-art fitness center, kids room, aerobics room, and social room. There's a resort-style pool with lap lanes and a spa, volleyball, pickleball, tennis, and basketball courts. And Alton is a walkable, pet-friendly community with its own dog park, playground, functional spaces, and the town center. At Alton Town Center, residents can choose from a diverse mix of casual and formal dining spots, shopping, fitness, and entertainment options. So if you want more information about this or any other community in Palm Beach, reach out. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying and building here in Florida, and I'd be happy to help you too. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. Hopefully you enjoyed that video tour, but this is just giving you a small catalog of what Kolter has to offer in South Florida. And as always, I'm going to put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have, or if you're looking to get into this area, want to get an idea if this would work for you, if this is the right location for you, I'm here to help you with that. If you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to give out a ton of information that's going to help you make your decision about living on the Treasure Coast, and I'd love to help you with anything you like to do here in our market.